Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So today's class is specially for class UKG. So I have made one worksheet for you all and you need to solve it, in which it's written days of the week and which day comes next. Days of the week, there are 7 days of the week as we know: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what you need to do is, here is a train which I have made for you, and every train it's carrying a one week. जो भी next week आता है, whatever the next week comes, you need to write it down. For example, see Friday. After engine, first bogie is Friday, second bogie is Saturday, the next is Sunday. So after Sunday, what comes? Monday. Yes. So same way you need to solve it out, okay, and color it. Color the train according to your own choice and complete this task. Same way there is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then after that Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then yes, Thursday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, then again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. So you will solve it out. Next we have, this is what? Shapes. There are different types of shapes as we know, isn't it? Different types of shapes. Some are circle. Circle is round. ठीक है? Oval, egg shape, triangle. Triangle, it is 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. आप बता सकते हो, I think you like to eat samosa, and samosa shape is also a triangle shape. Oreo biscuit shape is a circle. Remember, square. Square is such a shape in which all 4 sides are equal, and square, basically if you will see anything square, like square clock shape of square is there. Different types of shapes are there, you will find it of square. So it's your home task that you will need find it out. आपका homework क्या है कि we are studying about the shapes today. What you need to do is you need to find it out कि different types of shapes क्या क्या है, and उसको लिखना है. You can draw it also and color it out also. Next is rectangle. In class, the blackboard which we have, the shape is of rectangle. Rectangle, it has also 4 sides, but 2 sides are equal. This is pentagon, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then star. I think everybody know what is star. At night, we see stars in the sky. Small, small, tiny, but those stars are very big. Stars बहुत बड़े हैं, वो बहुत दूर है हमसे. It's very far from us. That's why its shape remains small, but its size is big. This is heart. Then this is cross. ये ambulance में भी मिलेगा आपको और hospitals में भी. This is arrow, direction which says us. Half moon, this is crescent. Diamond. Diamond, remember it is a jewelry also. Diamond एक ज्वेलरी का भी नाम है. Trapezoid, pi, फुल सर्कल होता है, ठीक है. फुल सर्कल से अगर हम हाफ 1/4 हटा देते तो इट बिकम्स पाई. देन सेमी सर्कल. This is parallelogram and this is octagon. Especially these are not for you all. This is for senior class. This too you remember till here. Semicircle. Now next is a homework for you all. What you need to do is draw and color one object at least from circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Also name the object. इसका मतलब आपको कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग करना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप 1 रुपये का नोट ड्रॉ किया तो इट्स शेप इज स्पेशल लाइक अ सर्कल. तो वैसे ही आपको कुछ ना कुछ बनाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैंगल बना लेते हो तो वो भी एक सर्कल शेप का है. नेक्स्ट समोसा इफ़ यू मेक इट इज़ ऑफ ट्राइंगल शेप. तो वैसे ही करके कुछ ना कुछ बनाना है रिलेटेड टू दिस शेप्स एंड यू नीड टू नेम इट आउट. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क एंड लर्न द शेप्स नेम विथ स्पेलिंग्स. Now next I am going to explain you the weather. It is very important Even LKG children and UKG and class 1 also can refer to this weather. How's the weather? Weather उसे बोलते हैं जो डे बाय डे कंडीशंस होता है. जैसे सुबह उठते हैं तो कैसा वेदर रहता है? मौसम. वेदर इज मौसम. कभी कभी if you will wake up and you are going to see that there are clouds in the sky. आसमान में clouds है, sun clouds के पीछे है, बारिश आने जैसा हो रखा है, तो we say it is a bad weather. We say it is a bad weather. Next, if the sun has rised, sun बहुत अच्छे से है, rise हुआ हुआ है and it's very warm. अच्छा है मौसम. So we say it's a good weather. It is a good weather. If somebody asks us how's the weather today, and agar the weather is very good, it's sunny, we say it's a good weather. Next, जब बहुत ठंड होती है, you know, we say it's a cold weather. जब ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं होती और ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं होता है, we say it's a warm. It's a warm weather. And if it's very very hot, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है, so we say it's a hot. See, I have made some sorts of here meter type of small. देखो, it's a measurement, okay, like there are, it's a thermometer is there which measure the temperature, but at least here to just for explanation I have made it this for you. Indicate, blue color indicates cold weather, orange color indicates warm weather, and red color indicates hot weather. Next is when we are seeing the sun has rised, the birds are flying up in the sky. It means the sky is clear, and it also indicates it will not rain. जब weather बहुत clear हो जाता है, sky is clear है, birds उड़ रहे हैं, we see it's a very blossom sorts of day, we say it is a clear sky. Next is हल्का cloudy को हम लोग बोलते हैं partly cloudy. जब हल्का हल्का cloudness रहता है, we say it partly cloudy. Next, when the sun is, we are not able to see the sun. जब sun नहीं दिखता है हम लोगों को and clouds पूरे cloudy हो रखे होते हैं आसमान में, we say it is a cloudy day. Then, if it rains, बारिश हो रही है, we say it's raining. It is raining today. Next, बादल बहुत गरज रहा है, we say it's a storming. And if there is a thundering, if there is a lightning, we say the day is storming. It's a storming day. It is storming. बिजली कड़क रही है, we say storming, and बारिश आ रही है, we say storming. Next is हल्के हल्के छींटे पड़ रहे हैं बारिश के, we say it's a sprinkling. Sprinkling. हल्के हल्के बारिश आ रहे हैं, जिस बारिश में हम भीग नहीं सकते, उसको हम गीले नहीं हो जाते, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं स्प्रिंकलिंग. अगर बहुत तेज से हवा आ रही है, द विंड इज़ ब्लोइंग वेरी स्पीडी, वी से इट्स अ विंडी डे. हवा आती है तो क्या होता है? मिट्टी उड़ता है, isn't it? एकदम चिपकती है मिट्टी, वी से इट्स अ विंडी डे. नाउ इफ sometimes we have seen children in the sky that ये पत्थर गिरता है, ओला गिरता है, उसको हम कहते हैं hailing. We say it as a hailing. It's a hailing day. So let's repeat it. If the weather is very bad, we say it's a bad weather. Agar there is a sunrise, good, clear, we say it's a good weather. If it is cold day, we say it is a cold day. मुझे ठंडी लग रही है, it is a cold day. Due to cold day, because only I am feeling cold. ठीक ठाक है, it's a warm day. बहुत गर्मी है, it's a hot day. The sky बहुत clear है, the sky is clear. It's a clear sky day. Partly cloudy, हल्का हल्का cloudiness, we say it's a partly cloudy. बादल छाए हुए हैं, it's a cloudy day. बारिश आ रही है, it's raining. बादल गरज रहे हैं और बरस भी रही है, it's a storming day. Next, हल्के हल्के बूंद बारिश के आ रहे हैं, it's sprinkling. बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है, so windy day. अगर ओला गिर रहे हैं, it's a hailing. So hope you have understood. So you can do it one thing, like आप 1 week का चार्ट बना लो, ठीक है? 1 week make a 1 week chart of weather and you indicate how's the weather today, and you indicate the weather symbol. Like क्या होता है weather symbol? For example, जैसे कि I'm showing you, this is days, okay, weather कैसा होता है? Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday एंड थर्सडे कंटिन्यू होता है. तो मंडे को सपोज टुडे इज़ मंडे है, मंडे को वेदर कैसा रहता है? अगर सोचो मंडे को बारिश हो रही है तो वी से इट्स अ रेनी डे एंड पिक्चर बना दो, जैसे क्लाउड्स बना दिए और ऐसे करके बारिश होता है. सेम वे आपको ऐसे ही करके बनाना है. सपोज ट्यूसडे को वेदर क्या है? इट्स अ सनी डे, तो यू विल राइट क्लियर और स्काई क्लियर, वार्म है, बहुत गर्मी है तो वी से वार्म डे. वैसे ही पिक्चर बना दो. वैसे ही करके यू नीड टू मेक दिस चार्ट फॉर 1 वीक. 1 वीक में आ जाता है संडे टू सैटरडे. अगेन यू विल संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. संडे से सैटरडे तक एक चार्ट बनाओ, डेट भी लिख देना एंड यू इंडिकेट वेदर. सो दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क. Hope you have learned this weather conditions and do all the tasks. Thank you.